Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about one of the most exciting things and one of the things that I loved most about Bootstrap, which is carousels and slides. And if you go to components in the documentation section and go to carousel, you'll see that you have different slides automatically inputted in your website with just a little bit of code. How cool is that? And you don't have to type any JavaScript code or anything else. You even have slides with different images that you can use and with controls. Okay, so this is pretty cool and pretty useful for your projects and websites. If I had a website, let me see what I would choose. This is a cool one. And we have this one with also text below it. And we have this with a crossfade effect, which is pretty cool too. And well, you can use any one of these. So let's just try this one here. So let's get the code. And let's put it and paste it here. Let's save our file. And yeah, let's launch it. Okay, so as you can see, we didn't put any CSS on it. So the size of the slide is the same size of the whole website page. But you can use CSS to limited. Okay, and this is how you can use slides, any slides you want. Obviously, you need to use and change images in the code, which would be in the image source here. Okay, so you can use any images there. Okay, so this is all, and see you guys later.